Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to just show you quickly some kind of cool deals that are out this morning on Home Depot's website on the Sawzall. Now there's a bunch of different Sawzall kits, and I'll put the links down below here for you in the video description for you. That, as you can see here, they're giving you some bargains like this one right here in particular I want to take a look at. So here's your M12 Hackzall. And they're given here for free the electric ratchet, which I know a lot of you are always looking for and getting it on special, you know. So what I would say here is, look at this. This ratchet is normally $149. Let's go take a look here for a second real quick. So I've showed you guys this many times in the past. Where in store, this ratchet is normally $149 all by itself. So coming back to our deal here, you can see for $30 more, you can get the whole kit with the battery and the hacksaw and the charger. So you're doing pretty good here with this deal. Now this one's, you're saving $119 is what they're showing you here, 40% off. Normally this deal would be $298. So it's $179. Now, I don't know how long these are going to last, but you guys, you know, you've been with my channel for a long time. You know what happens when we show you good deals like this. Sometimes they last for hours. Sometimes they could be gone the next day. I mean, there's just tool shortages like crazy, man, and stuff sells out. There was that really good deal a couple of days ago on that Milwaukee M12 rocket light with the 6 amp hour battery that actually sold out before I think most people were able to get it. One guy, one of our subscribers told us he was able to get that deal. See, this is the deal right here. So what's strange here, folks, is in store right now, they're showing you this deal at $169. So right now, it's $149 online. So it's even $20 cheaper. But this very deal on February 1st, the first day of this new promo, this deal was $129. And I know only one person who was able to score it, because people were telling me even at 4 a.m. in the morning, it was already showing sold out as the special buy of the day. And this is coming off of the sale that ended January 31st. This M12 rocket light was $129 by itself. So to pay $20 more and get this XC 6.0 battery, which is a $120 value, man, you're saving some money here. So you're saving about $100 on this deal. So let's come back up and look at all of the other Hackzall deals here. And so basically, there's several different deals where you're getting a ratchet, or you're getting a rotary tool here, or you can pick a multi-tool. You can get the floodlight. You can get the 6.0 amp hour battery. Let's just for a moment put this into the cart, and let's see what, I'm going to add it to the cart. And then I want to go pull up the cart and see what's happening in there, because I got to remove a few items here. See, what we were experimenting with this morning, Al Lopez and myself, we've been working on this all morning, folks. Trying to find a way, if there's, see how we're doing the buy more, save more? We're trying to find out if there's a way to get to $500 without spending the $500. So I was hoping that like throwing a deal like this in the cart would add to that. See, because that way you're theoretically spending $239 or something like that. And but it's not the case. And one of the reasons is because this Sawzall kit is not part of the buy more, save more that you see right here. So apparently the buy more, save more is their only bare tool only deal. So you got to just add in a number of bare tools. But let me remove these guys. And I'll remove this one. And let's see what's happening inside our cart. I might have to re-add it. Let me see. Is it doing anything for us? No. Let me go back and re-add it. I don't know if you saw that, but because what I'm trying to get at is this. I'm trying to get it to show us, make sure it's showing the deal with the free battery. Oh, no, because it's built in. See, there was another version of this. See, this, let me see if I can find that other version. Sawzall M12, without being inside the other deal. Was it this kit? Yeah, so if you go to this version of it, where you just find the kit itself with no extra battery, and then choose the deal. See here it says free gift selected. So we'll put that, add both into the cart. And now let's go into the cart. And this is the version that will actually show you what's happening. See, so what would happen here is theoretically the Sawzall is going to be 107 and the battery is going to be 71. So if you return the battery, my guess is they'll give you $71 back. So that would average down your price here, even below that. All right, so getting back to the other deal that they had. So you can see here the price is really no different. So when you look at it on this format, see, I don't know whether the battery is going to be hackable, because you saw when I put this kit into the shopping cart that it didn't look like it was breaking it down. See, sometimes when you get these deals like this, what they do is they throw that loose battery in the box, so it's not really, I'm not even, yeah, it might be packaged and everything, but I don't think they're treating it separately like it was the other method that I just showed you. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know about this, folks. I wanted to show you all of these Hackzall deals that are going on right now, where you can just pick whatever free tool you want and try it that way and see what you like. We're going to be investigating a lot more stuff today, later tonight, and hopefully post more, but I just wanted to quickly get this out for you because we've been working on it all morning. It's taking too long to get any results, and it doesn't seem to be working for applying towards the buy more, save more, because these are, it's simply not a tool only. And that's it. So, folks, we will check in later on. We'll do some more research. I have to go. Have a great day. We'll see you. And I'll put the links down below here for you in the video description for you.